Hello, good day. My name is Melinda, or rather about the Razak. I'm here to explain how the Algorand voting app works. So basically, everything starts from me. To get the app started and running, just go to your terminal and enter Flutter run. So I already have the program running and the run. And before you enter Flutter run, you should actually come to your Android folder and make sure you have your own Google service JSON file. So it's not required if you want to use mine, because everything is basically open source at the moment. So the main app has constructors for the controllers, what we call the state management controllers that manages the state of the app. The user controller on this point here is for managing the authentication state of the user. The vote controller is for the voting screen, voting functionality. Let me put that. And the app controller, the app based state management, and the Algorand controller, all the implementations that are based for Algorand. So after doing all that, we get started to understanding how the app works. So the Algorand controller, there are functionalities that are written there. One of them is the creating of wallets. After the creating of wallets, you basically create an account, you get the public address, get the private key, get the seed phrase, and store them in the local database. Then return the account. So after that is done, one can basically start using the app. So the first thing we do right now is go through the app. This is the onboarding screen. And then takes you to this page. Either you sign in or sign out. Now running this code wise, this way it points to logging in. This is the authentication screen. You click on login, takes you here, the email and password field. Now all of these are controlled by the user controller. So all of it's controlled by the user controller. The signing event takes the username and password using Firebase authentication, then binding the data and cutting from that into a string for easy retrieval of the user data. And yeah, everything works from there. So since we haven't actually created an Algorand wallet, so let's go ahead and create one right now. Let's pick up validation issue right there. So I think that's fixed now. So we're on the screen that presents the user to create a wallet. So when you click on create wallet, what happens in the background? So Algorand, using Algorand SDK, you can actually create the wallet by calling this function, just as I have explained earlier. And the same thing goes for when I want to import a wallet. I need my seed phrases for wallet recovery. So when I get the words, I put it in Algorand constructor or in an internal function based on the plugin from pub.dev. So using that, then let me show you the SDK from pub.dev. Algorand that. So you basically can perform transactions and everything by just reading the documentation. So now going back to the main application, click on this and get the prompt, and this will remove your existing account here. Basically and takes you directly to the home screen. So but there are two options on the home screen: you vote and donate, and also a list of all active of the latest elections. So when you click on vote, it takes you to the list of candidates. Then you click on vote, then the count, then you donate. And all of that is being handled from here. Click on donate list, the list of all people that are performing an election. Then takes you to the donate part. All of these are stored on the source code that I'll provide at the end of the video. Then when you click on donate, you input your Algorand amount, then you click on send. So that's about that. Now I'm going back to the donate part. Can donate, click the person on donate to, and do the also the transaction. Then the next part is their interface is built within the website, some sort of a web view for checking details about Algorand. One of them is the Algorand wallet. So takes a second to load. So you can basically view everything you need to know about Algorand. It is there for you to view, and the same thing goes for when you actually back the screen and you click on TextLink Explorer. This TextLink Explorer is an integrated platform where you can actually view details or transactions on Algorand blockchain. So it's as simple as just scrolling through, looking at each transactions, checking the statistics, look at the top accounts that have or have the most of Algorand. Account user has like up to 328 million Algorands. So basically that, and you can save this save it for later reading. So that all the source code of this app is on my GitHub repository on Algorand Vote. So you just click on download and you have the zip file. So that's basically it. Thank you very much and have a nice day.